This is the second glass of the cilantro, kale, and lemon. I drank the first one already. Up here is 1 cup, and the second one is half. So a little over a half of the cup. Cheers. This mustache is better than milk mustache, the green mustache. Let's supercharge our health and nutrition with juicing at least once a month or more. Fruits and veggies has different textures and colors which give us great benefit. Today juicing is celery, carrots, apples, lemon, ginger, kale, cilantro, beets, and 1 cucumber. I use an omega juicer, which is a slower juicer. It extracts more juice from the veggies and fruit, which is much better. Washing the veggies and apples. I am removing the skin from the beets. Beets are very healthy. It cleans the blood and much more. Beets has high vitamin C, minerals, potassiums. It dilates, clean our blood vessels so that it will lower our blood pressure, increase blood to our brains, making us smarter, and of course, it helps our liver health to be stronger. Cleaning the skin of the carrots. Ginger is anti-inflammatory, antioxidants. It prevents cancer. It controls our blood sugar, helps our heart beat stronger, and also it reduces pain and gives us good digestion, which is so great for our body. It is quite spicy, but try to eat it a little bit, add into your food so that you can be stronger and better. Also, ginger is a sex drive machine. It will increase the libido and energy. I am taking it. Did you know that eating apples enhance our dental health? Chewing on apple stimulates the saliva production, which helps reduce tooth decay by lowering the level of bacteria in our mouth. Apples and fruits has high hydration for the body. Filtered water from a plant is much better than plain water. Fruits and veggies have eye-catching hues, which promotes good health. These vibrantly colors are rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants. Colors from vegetables would maintain our youthful skin and hair tone. Graying and pale complexion will be delayed much later in life. When we eat raw beets, our urine turns to pink or reddish. Our bowel movement also turn red, so don't be alarmed. This is strong and healthy. This only occurs when we're eating raw beets. It doesn't happen when we eat cooked beets. The nutrition is gone when it's cooked, so it's worthless when the beets are cooked. Eat raw beets. Lemon detox and cleans our body. It also fights acne and reduces wrinkles. I sometimes do lemon shots. The first veggies I like to juice is the kale. It is hard to eat and drink. It is bitter of all the veggies that I have today. So I like to juice this first and drink it down. I also put lemon to add some flavor, and it's also very nutritious, so I put the whole thing in there. The second veggie that's very difficult to drink is cilantro. It's a little bitter, but so I'm going to put this also in the kale juice and the lemon, and once I'm done with this, I will gulp it down and drink it. The rest will be easy like a dessert. So let's do the juicing of the cilantro with the kale and a little bit of the lemon. the pulp from the cilantro. So I finished juicing 1 bunch of the kale, 1 bunch of cilantro, and 3 cubes of the lemon. So this is about 1 cup and a little left over from the juicing. So I am going to gulp this down. It is not as good, but it's much better than being sick, ill, have no energy, and going to the doctor. Give them money. So here, cheers to you and me. So normally this is the first drink in the morning. It's not bad. The lemon gives it a nice calming flavor, so it's not as bitter. So drink up your kale, cilantro, any greens. The more bitter it is, the better. So drink up. Now I'm juicing the celery and cucumbers. Next is juicing beets and carrots with lemon. This is the stem of the beets. Don't throw them away. It's still very good and nutritious. So the last juicing will be apples, ginger, and lemon. The apple will make it taste better because the ginger is quite spicy, and the lemon will calm it down. Ginger, apples is a bit too big. Gotta cut it down. Cut it smaller. Lemon, here is the pulp from the veggies and a little bit of apples that we juice. Your body has to process all this to get to nutrition. So sometimes it is good to juice and drink it down instead of letting your body process all this. Before, I thought it was a waste to throw all these pulp away, so I dehydrate it and try to put in some kind of food system. It is worthless. So don't try to use these pulp into your food. Put into your garden, bury it under the ground, the dirt, and your soil will love it. And you will grow beautiful veggies and plants. So I will put this buried in the ground of my garden. That's where it's going. It is not going to my stomach. Here is how much juice the veggies produce. The first one is celery and cucumbers with little lemon. Second is the beets and carrots with lemon. The third one is apples, ginger, and lemon. Each one has lemon. The reason why this is orange because it bled from the red to this. And the first one I juiced was the cilantro and kale with lemon. I drank it down because it was the hardest to drink. All these are very easy to drink. This is about a cup, and each one has some leftovers here. So I will combine all these together and drink it down. I will leave this into the refrigerator and probably drink it tonight or tomorrow morning, but it will all be gone. So it is good to rest your body and juice it, have the nutrition directly into your blood system. By doing this, your organs don't have to process as much. That's the reason why we can live longer and stronger and better, healthier, and don't need to go to doctors. Doctors only prescribe medicine. Sometimes they cut you up, put your needles. So by being healthy, you don't have to go to a doctor just for a checkup and see how you're progressing. But it is easier to fix the problem when it is acute problems instead of chronic. Chronic like cancer, kidney. So acute, if you have pimples, if you're a little overweight, you can fix that. and do all these stuff. Here is a juice combined with all three. Cheers. When I was young, when I juice these, I can drink several cups, probably like 5, 7, or up to 10 cups straight up in the morning with no problem. So when you're young, your organs are very strong and healthy. And so don't take advantage, and especially you're young, don't take advantage that your system is so great that you can eat anything you want. That is a fallacy. You cannot do that. Take care of your body, eat strong stuff so that you can last longer. Don't take advantage of your health and organs. Keep it strong by eating plant-based. I have seen a lot of people trash their body when they're young, and when they have these problems, they try to put so much money to save yourself. The only way you can save yourself is doing plant-based and juicing at least once a month. Follow me for more helps and encouragement.